Good evening, class. In last video, we have discussed so many important points regarding the why do we fall in. Okay, and this is your last topic, which is going to complete today. After that, I will send you the special notes and question answer about this chapters. Okay, so in last we have to discuss the principles of following types of disease treatment. Okay, today we are just discuss how many types of treatments are there which can easily stop the growth of bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans and worms etc. आज जो है हमको बहुत सारे प्रिंसिपल्स के बारे में डिस्कस करना है. ऐसे प्रिंसिपल्स those are responsible for stop the growth of bacteria, virus, fungi and many more things. Okay, so here before starting we know that every types of virus, bacteria and fungi, they have no natures. Okay, they can contaminate in your body and in our cells, in our tissues, and they directly destroy with a very fatal manners. After that, human beings are incompatible to live in a very short period of time, and that time they suffer lots of diseases. Okay, and these types of bacteria also leads to fatal destructions in human beings. Okay, so several types of medicines has been discovered by which the certain types of actions can be stopped by using vaccine and vaccination. So starting from that we have to discuss the what is the meaning of vaccine. Vaccines means a special type of liquid substance which are generally given to any disease sufferer patient to fulfill their whole cells in a adject mode. Okay, vaccine is a special type of generally medicine which are generally given to any infected person. By this the infected person can become again healthy. That is called vaccine, and the process we are using, and that is called vaccinations. Okay, that is called vaccination. Vaccination is generally done by using different types of syringes, ampule and medicines वगैरह. Okay, now most important factor I am going to tell you that vaccines are generally has different types of natures. Okay, the first one is vaccination can be done by oral mode. ठीक है, vaccination can be done by intracellulars. ठीक है, inside the venous. Okay, these all are the different types of systems in which doctors are generally using to give. So nowadays doctors are using different types of vaccine and vaccination by which they are generally using since the birth of the child, and they provide several types of vaccines for developing their immunity systems in their body, by which they are totally safe from certain types of bacteria and virus. So here we have to discuss that the first one is antibiotic is a special type of vaccines. Okay, antibiotic is a special type of vaccines which are generally given to any infected person so that their body will become recover and become again healthy. So antibiotics, what is the meaning of antibiotics? Okay, antibiotics means they are the anti of bacteria, virus. Anti means dushman. They are the anti of bacteria, virus, fungi, worms and many more things. Okay, because when bacteria insert in your body, suppose here bacteria are insert in body of a persons, अगर किसी body पे bacteria अपना infect करते हैं, that times they create make a cell wall to protect themselves. ये अपने आप को बचाने के लिए they create a special type of cell walls around the body parts of a person. A मतलब जो infected person से यहाँ पे एक cell wall dissolve cell wall बना लेते हैं, जिस कारण से bacteria अपने आप को safe महसूस करते हैं. ठीक है, and that time their growth continuously बिकमिंग लार्जर एंड लार्जर. ये अपनी संख्या को बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में बढ़ाते रहते हैं. ठीक है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आफ्टर दैट द एंटीबायोटिक मेडिसिन्स आर जनरली यूज्ड लाइक पेनिसिलिन. ओके, penicillin is the most important antibiotic to block the bacterial process. Block the bacterial process means यहाँ पे बैक्टीरिया इन्फेक्ट किया किसी ए ह्यूमन बींग्स को, यहाँ पे अपना ग्रोथ स्टार्ट हुआ, यहाँ पे ग्रोथ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे था. सेकंड, जब अफेक्ट हुआ पेनिसिलिन का, तो पेनिसिलिन को जब हमने इस बॉडी में इंजेक्ट किया, आफ्टर द इंजेक्शन their body will stimulate and regulate the different types of immunity power which stop or which block the adject bacterial process, and that build a cell wall and blocks the मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बायोलॉजिकल पाथवे. ये आने जाने वाले और भी बैक्टीरियल्स का क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे आने के बाद इनके पाथवे को स्टॉप कर देते हैं. ओके, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक्स. इट मींस दैट Antibiotics is a special phenomena by which they can be controlled to giving proper medicines to any infected person so that their body will become again healthy. Okay, so this is the most important features which we have discussed today. Now, second, antibiotics are generally available in market and they are very found in a larger numbers because several types of disease carried several types of antibiotics. Not a single antibiotics is responsible for removing all the types of diseases. Okay, most important point, you have to follow that. Now next we are going to discuss that after the vaccine and vaccination, the antibiotics can be produced in any infected person by the means of vaccines or vaccinations. Okay, vaccination is a special type of process in which we provide vaccines to an infected person. So apart from that we have to discuss that the principles of preventions. Okay, क्या क्या ऐसे principles हैं जो prevention मतलब हमें बीमारियों से बचाते हैं. But we have discussed the antibiotic, we have discussed the immunity, how the immunities are generally developed in the human body. Okay, now today we are going to discuss that principles of preventions, and it confronted three steps. Okay, why? Because principles of preventions are generally affected by three types of major difference. And what was that? क्या है वो? ठीक है. So first one is, once someone has a disease, अगर कोई इंसान infected है किसी बीमारी से, अगर वो गुजर रहा है, their body functions are damaged, most of their body functions will damage. It means several types of cells, several types of tissues are not working properly in the human beings, and that time human beings face very problematic situations. Okay, that time, and if you are providing a proper vaccines, proper antibiotics, after that their body may never recover completely. उसकी जो body है recover होगी but never recover completely 100%. 100% नहीं होगी, उसको होने में काफी टाइम लगेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि जो cells और tissues हैं, एक बार उनकी जब डेथ हो जाती है तो उसको रिकवर होने में काफी टाइम लगता है. दैट लीड्स टू मच टाइम टू रिकवर वंस अगेन. ओके, सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट of principle of prevention is that they can also affect the infected persons. ये infected persons को किस वे में अफेक्ट करते हैं? तो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अगर हम देखते हैं तो once someone has a disease, अगर कोई इंसान किसी डिजीज से गुजर रहा है, their body functions are damaged. Mostly their body functions means nerve cell, neurons, blood cells, WBC, RBC, total digestion system, ingestion system, all the system will become denatured. ठीक है, बहुत सारे problems आते हैं उसमें. And that time if you are providing a better mode of antibiotics, their body will not respond well and it takes too much time to recover. उसको काफी समय लगेगा recover होने में, and it takes so much time to become 100% fit. 100% fit होने के लिए काफी समय लगेगा. That is the first problem of principle of prevention. ये principle of prevention के सबसे पहले steps था. Second most important point, treatment will take a time. Treatment will take a time means, if any person suffering from coronavirus, suppose nowadays the coronavirus are generally highlighted, if many persons suffering from coronavirus and you are giving a proper medicines to survive them, that time they take time to recover own self because their cells and tissues are not working properly, their immune system is also become low, and that time that persons take too much time to recover own self. After some time it may takes like 20 days and 30 days, it means 1 month also to recover own self. आफ्टर दैट दे बिकम फिट 100%. ठीक है, अगर हम बात करते हैं आज के डेट में कोरोना वायरस को लेकर, कोई भी इंसान अगर उस वायरस से इफेक्टेड है, उसको वापस हेल्दी होने में करीबन 20 से 30 दिन यानी 1 महीने अप्रॉक्स लग जाते हैं. उसके बाद उसके बॉडी में जो वापस इम्यूनिटी के जो सिस्टम्स है वो डेवलप होना चालू होता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज ट्रीटमेंट विल टेक अ टाइम. मतलब कोई भी आप उसको वैक्सीन दोगे, कोई भी आप उसको ट्रीटमेंट दोगे, इट विल टेक टाइम टू रिएक्ट इन देयर बॉडी. उसको रिएक्शन करने में किसी भी ह्यूमन बींग्स के अंदर काफी टाइम लगेगा. जब वो सूट करेगा उसके बॉडी को, देन उसका असर आपको देखने को मिलेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड द ट्रीटमेंट विल टेक टाइम. ट्रीटमेंट टेक, ठीक है, टाइम जो भी होता है वो बहुत प्रीसियस होता है, और जब तक वो प्रॉपर रिएक्शन नहीं करेगा, कोई भी ह्यूमन बींग्स की कोई भी बीमारी बहुत ही शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन के लिए नहीं होती है. ठीक है, सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, सेकंड प्रिंसिपल इज दैट ट्रीटमेंट विल टेक टाइम. नेक्स्ट, द पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम एन इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज. अगर कोई इंसान किसी इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज का शिकार है, उसको कोई इन्फेक्शन की बीमारी है, एंड कैन सर्व एज that sources from where the infections may spread to other people. So most important point is there, if any persons is generally affected by coronavirus, it means they are able to spread their disease from their neighborhoods. It means अगर कोई इंसान किसी भी बीमारी से ग्रसित है, example taking as common cold, taking as coronavirus, taking as many more things, if any persons are generally affected by the several types of virus, it means their body system will not work properly, and that time they are capable to transfer their disease from one person to another person. It means one infected person to one healthy person. So this is the very dangerous things, and that is the most challenges principle of preventions. Okay, ये बहुत ही challenges principles है, क्योंकि ये सब ऐसे कुछ हैं, क्योंकि हमने फर्स्ट में देखा कि जो भी ह्यूमन बींग्स अगर किसी बीमारी से ग्रसित है तो उसको डेवलप होने में, उसको अपने सेल्स को रिकवर करने में, अपने आप को फिट करने में टेक्स टू मच टाइम. उसके बाद सेकंड स्टेप में हमने देखा कि इफ यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ बेटर ट्रीटमेंट, इट मींस दैट द ह्यूमन बींग्स आर गेटिंग टू मच टाइम टू रिकवर ओन सेल्फ, काफी समय लग रहा है, एंड मेडिसिन आल्सो क्रिएटिंग सो मच टाइम टू डेवलप इन देयर बॉडी. मेडिसिन को भी उसके बॉडी में रिएक्शंस में भी समय लग रहा है. एंड थर्ड स्टेप इज दैट इफ एनी पर्सन इज अफेक्टेड बाय सेवरल टाइप्स ऑफ डिजीज, इट मींस दे आर कैपेबल टू स्प्रेड देयर ओन डिजीज फ्रॉम अनदर पर्सन. दैट इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजेस प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ preventions. Okay, so apart from that we have to discuss some more important features, like if you are suffering from dangerous types of disease, means you are suffering from fever, you are suffering from corona, common cold and many more diseases, that time you have to take a proper precautions. Okay, why? Because that time your immunity power will become low. आपका जो immune system है वो काम करना slow हो जाता है, and due to the less of the habitual habit, that time you will not respond well. Why? Because several types of bacteria and virus totally affected in your body systems, and they also destroy your all the metabolically and physiological process, okay, which are generally runs in your body. जो भी आपके शरीर में मेटाबॉलिकली या फिजिकली जो भी प्रोसेस चलते हैं उनको ये सब वायरस स्टॉप कर देते हैं. आपके बॉडी में बहुत सारी चीजों का बनना रुक जाता है. दैट टाइम ह्यूमन बींग्स सफर्स लॉट्स ऑफ डिजीजेस. दैट टाइम द मेन पावर इज इम्यूनिटी पावर नीड्स. उस समय इम्यूनिटी पावर की हमें बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ती है. व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ द इम्यूनिटी पावर विल बिकम लो, डेफिनेटली यू विल नॉट सर्वाइव. अगर इम्यूनिटी पावर कम होगी आप सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाओगे. सो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इम्यूनिटी? Means it is a word related to immune. Immune means the protections from body to fight against several types of diseases are called immunity power. Immunity power is generally found in the immune systems of different types of cells and blood tissues. ठीक है, but most important function is that they are able to fight. ये क्या करते हैं हमारे बॉडी में? दे आर प्रेजेंटली सिंस द बर्थ हमारे बॉडी में पाया जाता है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अगर मैं बात करता हूं तो इम्यूनिटीज आर जनरली टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट innate and second adaptive. Okay, there is two types of immunity. Two types of immunity में first आता है innate immunity and second is adaptive immunity. The first innate immunity means it is present since birth. ये आपके birth से रहता है जब आप पैदा होते हैं. and adaptive immunity can be acquired during the life span. adaptive immunity का मतलब होता है जब आपकी life span चलती है तब आप उस immunity को अपने अंदर adopt करवा सकते हैं. ठीक है, so too much difference between innate and adaptive. Innate means present since birth and adaptive means you can acquire during the life span. जब आपकी life span चलती है तब जाके आप अपने immunity को adopt कर सकते हो. That is called the immunity of innate and adaptive. So most important point of immunity is that if you want to increase your immunity, you have to do several types of exercise, get a proper nutrition food which are contains generally carbohydrate, vitamins, proteins, minerals, etc. If you are taking balanced diet, it means your immunity power will never become destroyed and you become always healthy, and you also clear all the types of diseases when they want to enter in your body. Definitely your immune system respond well and they fight against several types of bacteria, viruses and fungi. Okay, so I think this is enough for today class. In next video we will start a new chapter, so I request you to all please watch all the video very carefully, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. After that I will also send you the notes notes and question answer of 13th chapter. The chapter name is Why Do We Fall Ill? Okay, till then, whatever I have taught you, focus all the things. And if you get any problems regarding all the topics, you can consult me. Thank you, students.